is Azalea, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Way Crunchy. This old shack series, my partner and I bought a 1929 fixer-upper. We've been working on it for like 8 months. I'm ready to move in. We're getting close. You can watch the entire process from the day we went and looked at the house here on YouTube. Before I get into today's video, I would love for you guys to help me out. If you can think of some good interview questions, or if there is anything you'd like to know, I plan on doing a Q&A episode, definitely with myself, maybe with John, if you got questions for him, questions for the kids, and we'll try and do that Q&A video soon. So, hit me with your best interview questions, and let's get into it. It's time to cross some stuff off my to-do list. I'm so pleased. So I love doing these shabby chic sort of things, just lightly brushing on the white paint. Y'all, this is gonna be amazing. Wait till you see it in the room. I think I'm back to where I was before this last round of demo. I just got the stairs nice and clean. And this time, there's not another round of demo waiting to wreck everything. Yay. Ain't nothing like a spray bottle and paper towels to clean. Oh my God. I'll just toss them over the side. And back for another layer of joint compound here in the basement. Little things, building. It all builds, it all layers upon each other. Literally. But it's also like sometimes when you do little layer upon little layer, it's hard to see how far you've come since the beginning, and that's something I've struggled with, but I got pictures. I can look back at the beginning and acknowledge the progress that I have made, even though I'm not at the finish line. Alright, y'all, I got this Kills Renovate paint, and I done did this whole ceiling. Y'all been watching me, but I gotta get this corner around my light fixture. Now, I gotta tell y'all, this light fixture is a treasure to me. It's made out of real green stones, strong, and it's beautiful, and it goes over my round table, and I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna try not to damage it or paint it. I hadn't drinking a vitamin water since I was a bartender, way before I had children. But since I started working on this house, I got this craving for vitamin water. I mean, it was probably a good 10 years since I'd had one, but it's still good. So once I finish this coat in here, I mean, one day I might paint the ceiling with something other than this Kills, but I had already done some white primer over the top of it, and then it was bleeding through. Like, I think some old oil-based paint, or it needed another coat, and it needed the keels so that nothing would bleed through. And then it'll be ready if I ever want to paint it a different color in the future, or like a glossy white or something. I don't really care. It's looking amazing just with the white. That's going to be done. That's going to be done. And then I'm thinking a light gray. Kind of crazy. Y'all know I hate grayscale, black and white gray houses, because I think they don't have much character. And it's just like, why is this a trend? But I think gray would actually be a really pretty color in here, a really light gray. You know, the bedroom is off of the kitchen, and that's green. And the hall is white and black and dark gray and pink. So I just think that the neutral gray is going to be good. I got a countertop at this point, and it'll go good with the gray in there. So yeah, I'm going to finish that, and then I'm heading on to, after this weekend, after I get John's move stuff out of here, I think I'm going to refinish these floors. I think I'm going to refinish all the floors this upcoming week. Call me ambitious. Of course, there's drywall piles in the living room, so probably not the living room. Maybe, though. Anyway, it is starting to be a light at the end of the tunnel, because the ceiling will be done, the lights are in, walls, trim, floor. You know, like once I got to this point in the bedroom that I finished, that is beautiful, this one. Once I got to this point in this room, it came so fast. So it feels like the kitchen is starting to come so fast, and that's exactly what I want to be feeling. Anyway, let me try not to paint this precious treasure of a light fixture I got. That's paper towels. I mean, you know, roll with it. Get it done. Well, I'm just going to do this off the time being. So let's put these here. Let's do something. I remember when I first discovered that these ceilings were beadboard. I didn't even know they were beadboard. What a treasure. Raise your hand if you were watching when I first discovered that we had beadboard ceiling. In the comments. So far, so good. I did it. The ceiling is painted. Painting ceilings is a mess. I'm a mess. Painting ceilings is a mess. And I definitely had to do that before I could do the floor, because I knew I was going to get it on the floor. I used drop cloths, but I'm real messy. Get some fresh air. That might be the last time I use kills in this house. That'd be a milestone. We hitting milestones, y'all.